Hungry day, oh, hungry day, hungry day, hungry day, hungry day, oh, hungry day, hungry day, hungry day, hungry day, oh, hungry day, hungry day.
Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, the End Bad Governance protesters have chosen not to gather at the Moshood Abiola Stadium, opting instead for the popular Burger Roundabout. Despite a directive from an FCT High Court on Wednesday stipulating that the protest should be confined to the stadium, the demonstrators initially complied by assembling at the designated location on Thursday. However, tensions escalated when security operatives attempted to confine the protesters within the stadium premises. According to activist Deji Adeyanju, the situation was further aggravated by the arrival of buses carrying thugs, which prompted the protesters to relocate. This morning, they reconvened at the Burger Roundabout, continuing their demonstration in